Hey guys, Lawrence here with Laws of Physio, and today we're going to discuss the different types of back pain. So usually in the clinic we either categorize it as back dominant or leg dominant back pain. So back dominant, most of the pain is in your lower back area, and you can get a bit of referred or shooting pain into your hips or your leg. That's Usually we call that mechanical back pain. The second type of back pain, we call that leg dominant or referred leg pain. So most of your symptoms will be in your leg. You can get symptoms like pins and needles, numbness, burning, electricity, weakness in your legs, cramping, anything like that. Mostly starting in the legs, and it can refer up into your back. With that, you tend to find that if you move around a little bit and you can kind of numb or decrease that pain, but it does tend to come back when you rest a bit more. So that's how we categorize the back pain. Most of the time, 95% of the time, we can look after you, but there is that small 5% that we would refer on to, and we call those red flags. So stay tuned for the next one and you'll find out if you have any red flags or not.